Good morning to all of you. Today's myself Professor Khanna MS from Arts Technical Campus in MBA Department Ahmednagar. Today's lecture discuss the managerial accounting. So the managerial accounting it's already this previous lecture discussed the introductions, meaning and definitions for managerial accounting. So the form of business organization, managerial accounting in the basic concept of my managerial accounting. So the basic concept of managerial accounting in bookkeeping and accountancy. Bookkeeping and accountancy. In this basic concept for recording, summarizing, analysis, and collecting for data. This is a transactions for recording all transactions and basic questions of keep recording of financial transactions. Bookkeeping is a part of accounting. So the concern with a record keeping a maintenance of books of accounting, which is often routing and clerical in nature. This is a organization in any institute, business, and any transaction. The financial keeping the financial recording. This is a basic concept for bookkeeping and accountancy. In this managerial accounting is the basic topic for bookkeeping and accountancy. So the next one, form of business organization. So the form of business organization. आवाज येत नसेल किंवा येत असेल तर कमेंट बॉक्स प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स मध्ये कमेंट टाका. Form of business organization. So the form of business organization. Form of business organization. Organization. Form of business organization. So the form of business organization. In this topic form of business organizations. In this topic, form of business organization, meaning business as a subject of formal study, there is attention and acquiring importance in our society. Business regarded as an integral part of society because the largest number of people remain engaged in this branch of human activity. Business affects almost all of us by the needs of consumer, employee, or of owner thereof. This is the meaning of form of business organization. So the business organization, which is a business organization, in the definition, so the business is an economic activity involving the regular production and distribution of goods or services with the object of earning profit through the satisfaction human wants. Satisfactions of human wants. So the business is an economic activity. Business is an economic activity means the regular production and or distributions of goods and services with the object of earning money. Object of earning profit and earning money. This is any business object, any organization object, and or any institutions object and goal. This is the profit by earning money and profit by any business. So the business is an economic activity involve the regular productions and or distribution. Business हे काय आहे? इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे. कशासाठी? इन्व्हॉल्व दी regular productions and or distributions of goods. गुड्स गुड्स अँड सर्व्हिसेस ते काय करतात, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करतात. बिझनेस सर्व्हिस विथ द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ अर्निंग, त्या गुड्स और सर्व्हिस डिस्ट्रीब्युशन करण्याच्या पाठीमागचा त्यांचा हेतूच असा असतो, उद्देश काय असतो की त्यांचे जे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह आहे त्यासाठी अर्निंग प्रॉफिट. कशासाठी करत असतात हे सगळ्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीज, अर्निंग प्रॉफिट और अर्निंग मनी. सो दिस इज अर्निंग मनी कशासाठी लागतं, सॅटिस्फॅक्शन ऑफ ह्युमन नीड वॉन्ट्स. जे मनी आहे ते मनी कशासाठी यूज करत असतात, आपल्या ज्या ह्युमन वॉन्ट्स आहे, ज्या नीड्स आहेत त्या सॅटिस्फॅक्शन करण्यासाठी. जी मनीची नीड्स असते ती कशा थ्रू फुलफिल केली जाते, तर बिझनेस थ्रू. जो बिझनेस केला जातो त्या बिझनेस मध्ये ज्या इकॉनॉमिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे, इकॉनॉमिक ज्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी केल्या जातात त्या काय करतात, रेग्युलर प्रोडक्शन अँड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट गुड्स अँड सर्व्हिसेस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करतात. त्यामुळे त्यांना काय म्हणतो, प्रॉफिट किंवा अर्निंग मनी. आणि जो प्रॉफिट किंवा अर्निंग मनी कशासाठी ते यूज करतात, जे आपलं दैनंदिन जीवन आहे त्यामध्ये ते काय करतात, ज्या वॉन्ट्स आहे, ज्या नीड्स आहे त्या सॅटिस्फाय करण्यासाठी ते त्याचा प्रॉफिट करत असतात. तुम्हाला आवाज येतोय का माझा?
हो मॅडम, येतो आवाज. हॅलो हॅलो हॅलो
आवाज येतोय का?
हो मॅडम, येतोय आवाज.
सर आवाज येतोय का?
हो मॅडम, येतोय आवाज.
मेसेज लिहा मला, कमेंट टाका. आवाज येतोय का माझा? राहुल चव्हाण अभी स्टार्ट. दिव्यानी
हो मॅडम, येतोय, आवाज
ओके,
येतोय.
आवाज येतोय का?
हो हो
आवाज येतोय का माझा तुम्हाला?
येतोय मॅडम
हो
आवाज.
मॅडम, येतो आवाज.
ओके, तर आपण काय बघत होतो, फॉर्म ऑफ बिझनेस ऑर्गनायझेशन. ज्या बिझनेस ऑर्गनायझेशन मध्ये कुठल्या कुठल्या फॉर्म असतात, कुठल्या कुठल्या असतात तर आपण बघणार आहोत. त्यामध्ये त्यांनी सांगितलं, फर्स्ट बिझनेस ऑर्गनायझेशन मध्ये कुठल्या कुठल्या फॉर्म असतात. फर्स्ट वन इज बिझनेस. फर्स्ट ऑर्गनायझेशन आहे बिझनेस मध्ये इंडस्ट्री. इंडस्ट्री असेल ती कशासाठी वर्क करते, त्यांचा जो objective आहे, जे गोल आहे ते अचीव करण्यासाठी इंडस्ट्री, एनी ऑर्गनायझेशन, एनी इन्स्टिट्यूट जे वर्क करत असतात त्याचे जे गोल असते कशासाठी असतात, तर त्यांचे जे गोल काय, जे टार्गेट आहे ते काय करायचे, त्यांना अचीव करायचे. अचीव करण्यासाठी वर्क करतात. आणि जे गोल आहे टार्गेट आहे ते अचीव करण्यासाठी ते सातत्याने प्रयत्न करत असतात.
मॅडम, आवाज नाही येत तुमचा.
ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहे त्या काय करत असतात, अप्लाय करत असतात, ऍक्टिव्हिटी मध्ये ते वर्क करत असतात. तर त्यामुळे त्यांनी सेकंड फर्स्ट इंडस्ट्री, सेकंड कॉमर्स. अँड कॉमर्स मध्ये सप्लाय ट्रेड इन दिस पॉइंट सप्लाय ट्रेड adds to trade. Adds to trade. This is a business. So the business in this topic, first organization in industry. Business मध्ये कोणती organization work करत असते? तर industry. Any industry कशा काय करत असते? Business करत असते. कुठल्याही प्रोडक्शनचा किंवा any cosmetic accessories किंवा any engineering product किंवा any job product काय म्हणजे काय जे वर्क करतात ते काय असते? ती इंडस्ट्री असते. त्यानंतर after that commerce. And commerce in this point subpoint to trade and adds to trade. This is a form of business organizations. Board categories of business activity. This is a board category of business activity. Board category of business activity. Board categories of business activity. So the board categories of business activity, business organization. So the business organization which is have business organizations. First one is organization is process by dividing and combining activity of an enterprise. जी ऑर्गनायझेशन आहे त्यामध्ये काय केलं जातं? प्रोसेस केली जाते त्यामध्ये process of dividing and combine activities of an enterprise. ज्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहेत त्या काय केल्या जातात? ऑर्गनायझेशन मध्ये प्रोसेस केल्या जातात आणि त्या कंबाईन मध्ये ते वर्क करून घेतले जातात. Activities of an enterprise are required to be divided among department, unit, sections. Department, unit and sections or persons for number of reasons. All business enterprise require organization for their economically operations and the smooth functioning of business. So the term organization is an agency or unit engaged in the productions and or distributions of goods. Henry Ford. Business organizations. Form of business organization. So the form of business organization. This is the board categories of business activity. This is the chart of board category of business activities. And second one, show the organization. Form of business organization. Show the form of business organization. Form of business organization. Form of business organization. So the form of business organization. In this form of business organizations, private sector, public sector and joint sector. First, A form of business organization. In this first A, private sector. First A is business form of business organization. First one is private sector. Private sector and public sector and joint sector. Private sector, private ownership. This is a private ownership. Private ownership. Second is public sector. Public sector in the this ownership is public ownership. Sector this ownership is public ownership. And third one, last is joint sector. Last is joint sector. So the last one is joint sector in the owners mixed ownership. Mixed ownership. Form of business organization in this three categories. So the three first A private sector, second B public sector, and last one is joint sector. So the first one private sector in the this ownership is a private sector this ownership is a private, and public sector is ownership is public ownership, and joint sector is a ownership. For this ownership is mixed ownership. Mixed means public and private. This is the ownership is mixed ownership in joint sector. Okay. So the private sector. So the private sector subpoint individual ownership and group collective ownership. Individual ownership. Individual ownership. Group and individual ownership, group and collective ownership. Collective ownership. This is the private ownership, private sector, and collective group and collective ownership in this form: partnership, joint venture, joint family, and joint stock company and cooperative society. This is a group ownership, and public sector ownership is government company, public corporations, and departmental ownership. Public ownership is the point first government company, public corporations, and departmental undertaking. Government company means public sector, government company. Government company, second one is government company, second one public corporations. Public corporations. Corporations. Public corporations, and last one is departmental undertaking. Last one is departmental undertaking. Departmental undertaking. The last one is the public sector ownership, and joint sector is a mix, is this joint, and last one is group collective ownership. In this topic, group collective ownership. First one partnership firm, joint Hindu family. First one partnership firm. Ship firm, joint Hindu family. And third one is joint stock company. Third one, joint stock company. And last one, cooperative society. This is the group collective ownership. So the group collective ownership, first one partnership fund, second one joint into family, third one joint stock company, and last one cooperative society. This is the managerial basic concept of form of business organization. This is the basic of form of business organizations. Today's lecture is over and next point discussed in next lectures. Thank you for all of you and thank you for everyone